So crypto is about to get really, really easy for people that are here in the market right now. And it's going to be a lot sooner than people realize. And this time of up only season is obviously going to be very beneficial for assets like SHIB and others throughout the space. And the biggest thing you have to do is just not F it up. Okay. There are a lot of traps that are being set in the market right now, and there are, in fact, people that are falling for them. And again, this is why most people don't make it in crypto. But we need to pay attention to a couple things happening this week. There may, in fact, be a few surprises. So we're going to discuss that in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So just looking at Shiba Inu, we're kind of doing what everything else is today. We started down about 4% on the daily candle, and SHIB has fallen back again into this break box. And why this is important is, guys, this is basically our liquidity zone before our breakout. Obviously, this is the area where Shiba Inu last had its nice surge all the way up to 4033. And right now we're basically in this kind of volatile range where SHIB may want to come down and tap either 40263 or 4026 at the bottom of this box before making a change in direction and popping back up. We don't have to do that. This isn't, a guarantee or financial advice, but SHIB's big quest is to get back above this 20-day moving average. And the problem is that right now we're facing a lot of FUD, a lot of negative articles in the marketplace. For example, I saw this one today. Now that SHIB is making lower highs and is having trouble to find solid support, the asset seems to have stopped. This is some BS. Do not fall for this crap. It says SHIB may even be dragged down to its 200-day moving average. And SHIB hasn't gotten anywhere close to its 200-day since all the way back here on November 5th, basically, right? And since that time, SHIB has very much separated from there. I mean, SHIB's 200-day moving average, for us to reach this again, it really doesn't happen that often in bull market cycles. It's usually not until you come back down and start correcting, right? Like, even look back here. It wasn't until this wick down all the way in September of 2021 that Shiba Inu even tapped this again. So we're very much separated. We're very much on the bullish side of things. And what we're waiting for is just kind of the last washout of the sellers. Now, there are some people that are trying to influence the market across the board right now. And the biggest thing is don't fall for this crap. Okay. We know what these exciting times bring. We haven't seen the conversion yet of people clicking and searching around the internet. We haven't seen that convert into buys yet. It's going to, but we have to be patient and just let it play out, right? And where we're at right now from a chart standpoint is we're going to get back to this point where this 20-day moving average is going to try to lift SHIB back up. We saw this back here. We saw this back here. So SHIB is going to get shot up at some point here. It's just a matter of when. Now, that being said, we've had some great things happen for BTC. BTC set a new all-time high overnight. It actually surged all the way up to 106,565. And right now, institutional money is actually going to get a discount to start the week. What that means is that they're going to want to buy. This has been a very consistent theme. This has not slowed down. It wouldn't surprise me as well if Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy decide, make an announcement that they're going to try to raise more capital once again to start accumulating more BTC. The trends are kind of showing you where things want to head. And what that means is we're probably going to see some movement in terms of the price of BTC, moves in the price of ETH, and this is going to obviously bleed over to altcoins. Now, that being said, there's a couple things going on this week that people need to be aware of. There might be some surprises here that could be beneficial for the market. So first of all, we are going to see the Hong Kong stablecoin bill presentation that is going to be held. And again, introduction of new capital, more stables into the market, whether that's here or abroad. It's always a good thing. More stability, more liquidity is a benefit to the marketplace, right? Now, on Wednesday, that's going to be happening Wednesday. Wednesday, we also have the FOMC meeting conclusion. We're going to get the Fed announcement for their interest rate decision. Again, expectations are that we're going to fall another 25 basis points, which is a good thing. That, again, can spur buying and excitement across the crypto market. And then Jerome Powell is going to follow up with his sentiment. Hopefully, that's a positive sentiment. It's been going well so far. So hopefully that continues. Now, that being said, on Thursday, we have a couple things happening as well. Japan will announce its interest rate decision, and the UK will announce their interest rate decision as well. So their expectations are to remain the same. All right. So they're not expecting to do any interest rates decreases or increases or anything like that. But there are always the potential for surprises. maybe they actually decide to drop rates, which again can spur more excitement. Hopefully, you guys are catching a recurring theme here. And then on Friday, we have the US Core Personal Consumption Price Index report for both the monthly and for the year. So some definitely things that can impact the market in a big way. And again, for something like Shiba Inu that is so heavily impacted by retail sentiment and what the economy is doing and things like that, this may be a week where we start to get a little bit of legs across the market in general. So these are things that people need to be paying attention to. Don't fall for any negativity out there. We're in a very bullish time. We know where the market is headed, and that's into mass adoption. That's going to bring big waves of capital, bring big waves of users. And the great news about SHIB is that it's positioned very well. It's again on all the exchanges out there. Centralized exchanges are going to be the main point of adoption. They always are in market cycles. And again, this huge removal of supply that we've seen from Shiba Inu is something that's going to be very beneficial towards price impact. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Are you falling for the traps that are being set, or are you cool as a cucumber? Oh gosh. Cool as a cucumber, relaxed, and ready for this big up-only season we're about to see. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.